Question number 6, prove that. Example number 11. Sec raised to 4a bracket 1 minus sin raised to 4a minus 2 tan square a is equal to 1. Now we take this first LHS. Now LHS is equal to sec raised to 4a bracket 1 minus sin raised to 4a bracket complete minus 2 tan square a. Now here we write LHS is equal to series sec raised to 4 a bracket here series we write here 1 square minus 1 square is 1 and here minus then bracket sin square a bracket square means a square minus b square. A square minus b square means 1 square minus bracket sin square a bracket square 2 into 2 4. Now minus 2 tan square a. Now very important example series LHS is equal to, see here carefully, now sec raised to 4a bracket series a square minus b square means a plus b and second bracket a minus b. So we write here first 1 plus sin square a and second bracket 1 minus sin square a. We apply that identity a square minus b square means a plus b and second bracket a minus b means here 1 plus sin square a and second bracket 1 minus sin square a minus this original 2 tan square a. Now see this carefully. Here LHS is equal to series we split this sec square a into sec square a. Sec square a into sec square a means sec raised to 4a. Did you understand? And here see this we write this as it is 1 plus sin square a. Now instead of this we write here cos square a minus 2 tan square a. Now formula, see here, formula sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. This is formula. Now when we take this sin square a to the right side, see this cos square a is equal to, we take this sin square a to the right side becomes minus, means 1 minus sin square a means what? Cos square a. This is our formula. We use this formula, or that this is identity. Okay, this formula we use here. Did you understand? Now again we use formula for this or this, anyone. Now see here LHS is equal to see this here sec square a into sec square a into 1 plus sin square a. For this cos square a means cos a means 1 upon sec a. Cos a means 1 upon sec a. When square then we write square 1 upon sec square a minus 2 tan square a. Now here this sec square a and this sec square a means numerator and denominator sec square a cancel. Okay, then what is left here series. Now we use formula for this. See here LHS is equal to formula for this 1 upon means sec a means 1 upon cos a. Okay, and when we here take square here sec a square a, then we write here also sec 1 upon cos square e. This is formula. When sec a, then 1 upon cos a, square then square, cube cube, raised to 4 raised to 4, this way. Okay, into 1 plus sine square a means here we write 1 plus sine square a, this bracket, minus original 2 tan square a. Did you understand? Now see this denominator we give separately to 1 and plus sine square a. Therefore see here LHS is equal to 1 upon, now this is not important, this one is not important now, 1 into anything then that term as it is. Did you understand? So 1 upon cos square a. Did you understand? 1 upon cos square a plus sine square a upon cos square a. We give this denominator separately. Then this original minus 2 tan square a. Now series. Therefore LHS is equal to 1 upon cos square a means sec square a plus sin a upon cos a. I will tell you. Here sin square a upon cos square a, but sin a upon cos a means tan a. Okay, when square then we write here square. Did you understand? Minus this 2 tan square a. Okay, now here formula for sec square a. Formula for sec square a is 1 plus tan square a. Formula for sec square a, 1 plus tan square a. Now here see this, here 1, if no any number or coefficient then 1, and here minus 2 means here forget sign, 2 and 1 which is bigger, 2, then give sign of bigger, 2 minus 1, 1 means 1 tan square a. Did you understand? Now this plus tan square a and this minus tan square a cancel. Therefore LHS is equal to 1 and this is our RHS.